What up, ecomm bosses? How's it going today? I want to really quick apologize for not putting content out for the last month. I'm really going to start digging down, putting one video every single week, every Monday, every Tuesday. I'm going to be putting a video out there for you guys in order to better your e-commerce store and to make more profits, because that's the goal, okay? Today's topic, we're going to be talking about what to be doing for dropshipping while, if you haven't heard about it, the coronavirus is going on. Because a really big problem right now is that dropshippers aren't able to source any of their products out from China, obviously, because they have a border ban right now. Nothing's coming in, nothing's going out, no people, nothing, guys. There's like a really big issue with any shipments coming in and out of China or, internationally anywhere, right? But even sourcing your products for anywhere in the United States, now even states are having border bans, and it's going to have a huge effect. It already is having a huge effect on people being able to source their products from anywhere to get and push the product out to whoever orders the product. So real quick, I want to say, if you don't have any product and on hand or anything that you can't ship out and you've already put out multiple orders, you have to be very transparent with the customer if they've purchased and you're unable to ship out the product, right? You need to email them. They have to understand. Why wouldn't they understand, right? If you can't ship it out, just tell them, hey, it's located in a state. Like my production center is located in a state where I'm not able to ship it out to you right now due to the recent events with the coronavirus. Be transparent with the customer. Say, hey, once these are all cleared up, the product will be shipped to you right away. No time, just right as I'm allowed to, I will ship it to you. Don't worry. But for the time being, it's gonna take a little bit of time. But just trust me, this is not a scam. You gotta email them. You have to email them. Otherwise, you're gonna be getting chargebacks. You're gonna be getting customers complaining. Your score on Facebook ads are gonna go down, which causes you to not be able to, sell any more things. With that being said, as of right now, I really do think that you should just shut off your ads for the time being. And you know what? It's kind of a crappy thing to have to do, but you also have to understand that it's not just you. I mean, this is the entire economy getting shut down. Like, yeah, I don't want to shut down my ads either. But it's like the economy. Small businesses are going out of businesses. Luckily, the government is, bailing out huge Fortune 500 companies. I think they have $150 billion that are going to the big companies to bail them out of this terrible crisis so that unemployment doesn't go through the roof, which small businesses are just dying out, which is the lifebone of all America. This is not the point. My point is talking about more about how to dropship during this coronavirus. Just know that it's not just you. This is affecting, it's everyone, right? And I think you're unable to ship products out. So what I recommend, the number one thing to be doing during this coronavirus outbreak and the 14-day, 30-day quarantine that we're going to have, and to tell you the truth, who knows how long this border ban is going to be with China. I mean, China has a whole bunch of cases, and they're not doing nearly as much as we're doing, guys. China is like iffy, wishy-washy. The States, I don't know, the States are really like, making people being quarantined in their apartments, quarantined in their houses, wherever it is. But China, I think, are kind of just doing their own thing still, right? So who knows how long the borders are going to be closed from China to the U.S. or China to the whole world, because, once again, a lot of the products come from there, which causes problems for dropshipping. But the number one thing I recommend you do during this 30-day to longer quarantine that we're going to be doing is, if you're a dropshipper, you have a lot of time to start learning. Okay? I'm making a lot of money online right now, and I'm not gonna lie, the last month and a half, I've probably done more sales online than I ever have in my entire life. And I'm still a rookie, guys. I'm still learning. I'm still buying courses. I'm still doing things. Like, I know a lot, but there's a lot more I can learn. There's a lot more you can learn. If you don't believe you can learn more starting right now, and to be honest, you probably do, because you're watching this channel. If you are watching this channel, odds are you're trying to learn more, right? But that's the thing. If you don't believe you need to learn more, you're just not thinking clearly, because you could always learn more. People, the highest up, people like Warren Buffett, people like Jeff Bezos, people, Elon Musk, even these people every day are learning more and more and more. If they can learn more, I guarantee you, you can learn more. So what I recommend within these next 30 days is go purchase a course. Go pull out $500, go pull out $1,000 and start buying courses to teach you about email marketing, to teach you about subscription marketing, to teach you about copywriting, about Facebook ads, about all these different things, guys. There are things you can be doing right now to be really moving forward, to be really upping your game and learning how to do once the coronavirus outbreak clears up, once there's a vaccine, whatever it is, once the borders open up, your game will be 1,000 times stronger than ever before, okay? And I don't have a course yet. And by the way, if you're wondering, I told myself I wasn't going to start selling anything, but I decided I'm going to start selling a course. I'm probably going to build the course for the next week, and it's going to launch next Monday, next Tuesday. It's going to be a really simple course on how to do subscription-based services with your e-commerce store in order to 10x your company. Because if I didn't have a subscription-based company, right now I wouldn't be making sales, right? But luckily, I have a subscription-based company based off of information, so I don't even need to ship any products out, which means this month so far I've made $900 specifically off of subscription. I haven't even ran any ads. I haven't even done this or that. I'm just making money because I'm sitting here doing my thing. I should have about $1,400 coming in, and that's pure profit based off subscription. And if you want to learn how to do that, this is not like a sales pitch. This is like legit. I want to help you guys. I'm probably going to be pricing it around $37, $47, so super cheap. But I'll teach you everything I know about subscription-based services and how to get your product into a subscription base literally for free. Like, if you don't know, I think I've talked about it in a different video, but what I do for my e-commerce store is I have my initial product, which is $17. I get them into $17. I don't make any money on that. And then the next thing they get is my subscription-based service. And that subscription-based service usually converts around 10% of all the people who bought the first thing that they purchased. So let's say I have 100 people buy my front offer, the first offer they see on a Facebook ad. The next thing they're going to get is my information subscription service, which is $50 a month. And right now it's converting at 10%, 15%. So if 100 people buy my first one, I'll have 15 people buy my second one. And that's a subscription. They last 3 months at least. So it's like $150 per person. Sometimes they go longer, sometimes they go shorter. That's the beauty of subscription. But I'm going to make a course in the next coming week here on how to do that. But I'm going to be honest. If you're excited about the course, comment below. Say you're excited. Say you want this course, looking forward to it. Give me some motivation to build the course for you, make it outstanding. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm not done with the video yet, so real quick. And the number one thing to be doing during this time is legitimately learning. Just keep on learning, guys. You can keep on learning. You can keep on doing more things. You can understand certain concepts more, understand that you're doing something wrong. Maybe you don't fix that. Whatever it is, just be on your A game once this comes back, because we can really hammer in the marketing and hammer in, whatever it is, copywriting, your sales page, all these different things that go into, making a profitable store. Learn right now and implement it once this ban is over. That's the best advice I'm going to give you right now, because that's what I'm doing. That's what you guys should be doing. Please, please, please like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. And a week from today, maybe 2 weeks from today, you'll see my very, very, very low ticket course, guys. I'm talking $37, $47 max. That's it. Max. Done. Right there. Okay? So, see you guys around. Ecom bosses. I usually say let's make that money, but hey, let's start learning. Okay?